National resources. In these resources, any person living in a particular country can access to these resources. For example, roads, railways, etc. International resources. In these resources, any person living in any country can access to these resources. For example, head office of UNA, Pacific Ocean, etc. Fourth is on the basis of status of development. Potential resources, the resources which are found in a region but are not in use. For example, a child who is not speaking English right now, it is not important that he will not speak English in the future. It is his potential, but he is not using that. Developed resources, the resources which are fully developed and their quantity and quality has been determined for the utilization. For example, information technology. Stock resources, the resources which are available but we cannot use due to the lack of technology. For example, the use of hydrogen and oxygen in many parts of the country is not being fully used. Reserve resources, in these resources the resources are reserved for the future use. For example, water in dams are stored for the future use, forest, etc. Last, the sustainable development. In this type of development, the resources are used in such a way that the present needs are also satisfied and the resources are also stored for the future generation. For example, water